Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to launch a virtual machine on AWS Cloud platform. So first thing you need you need an account on AWS Cloud services. So after logging into your account you have to choose EC2 service. Here you can see there is no instance available right now, so I'm going to launch one by clicking on launch instances. From here you need to choose image for launching the instance. So I'm going to click on free tier only so that we don't have to pay anything for the instances. So I'm choosing the first one, Amazon Linux 2 AMI. Selecting this. From this window you have to choose the instance type. So I'm going for the second option, which is T2 micro. So it is basically the baseline level of CPU performance, and it is eligible for free tier, so I am choosing this one and clicking on the next. Configure instance detail. In this section you have to choose number of instances. If you want to launch multiple instances at simultaneously, so you can put the number the number you want to launch the instance of. Like I am going with one because I don't need more than one instance, so I'm putting one, and rest of things you can leave as it is, so no need to change it for this time. So clicking on next. In this window you can choose the size of your volume and volume type. Size of the volume is actually 8 GB comes by default, so I'm not changing it, and type is general purpose volume. So if you are checking this box, and you will have, that's mean if you terminate the instance, this volume will be automatically deleted. Otherwise it will stay on your account, and that might incur some charges later on. So I am putting it on so that I will not forget and incur charges on it. So next is the tag you want to give to your instance. So I am adding one, so I can put name tag, and then I can give it value as a testing VM. And the next thing is configuring of security groups. So I am giving it as it is, so no need to change anything. Like if you want to add some rules, you can add it here. I'm just leaving it with SSH so that I can have SSH available to create a SSH session to my to my VM. Review and launch. So here you can review all those configurations and then launch it. So do remember that you have to create a key pair with name. it should be a short name, so I'm giving it T, anything you can use. And then click on download key pair. Sorry, I have already downloaded this one, so I am encountering this error. So anyway, for you guys, you won't have this error. After downloading this key pair, make sure this should be downloaded, otherwise you won't have any option later on. After launching the instance, you won't find your key anywhere else. So I'm going to launch instance now. So your instance are now launching. Let's wait for a few seconds, then we can click on view instance, and you are going to see your instance here on instances tab. So it is, the status is still pending, so we must wait for this to turning green and running. So it's done now, so you're good to go. I will teach you in the next video how to launch how to log into this instance. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.